everyone. Welcome back to Thai Cooking Adventures. Today, we're making a classic Thai dish that is loved all around the world, som tum, or Thai green papaya salad. It's a delicious, tangy, and spicy salad that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of shredded green papaya. Half a cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup roasted peanuts. Long beans, cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 to 3 Thai chilies, adjust to taste. 2 tablespoons dried shrimp. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons lime juice. 1 tablespoon palm sugar, or brown sugar. Fresh coriander and a wedge of lime for garnish. First, we need to prepare our green papaya. If you haven't shredded it yet, you can use a julienne peeler or a mandolin slicer to get fine strips. Next, in a large mortar and pestle, add 2 cloves of garlic and 2 to 3 Thai chilies. Pound them together until you get a rough paste. This will give our salad its signature kick. Now, add 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp and the cut long beans. Lightly pound these ingredients to mix them well.
Add the shredded green papaya and carrot into the mortar. Gently pound and mix them with the other ingredients. This helps to soften the papaya and infuse it with the flavors. Now, add the half cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1-2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Mix everything together thoroughly, making sure the palm sugar dissolves completely. Transfer the som tum to a serving plate. Garnish with some fresh coriander and a wedge of lime. And there you have it, a refreshing and spicy Thai green papaya salad. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Thai Cooking Adventures, and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. See you next time.